Well, my name is Isak. I'm a dentist and an orthodontic specialist. I'm originally from Norway. I wanted to become more active and do some more active investing on my own and not go through my bank anymore. I looked at becoming a retail trader as an opportunity to maybe improve my income and to enjoy more financial freedom. And by that I mean having more time to spend with my family and friends. I don't want to give up my day job, of course, but maybe I could do it with more free time. Mm-hmm. That's the main goal for me. With the e-Trading Academy, you have the possibility to access the course material 24/7. So that's very essential, especially for me or for anybody else that has a day job. This way you can access it from anywhere, anytime, and you can train at your own pace. I really invested quite a lot of my free time to go through all of the material, and the more I learned, the more I wanted to really get to know it and be good at it. It took me about 6 weeks maybe. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but and then it was also during the weekend I spent a lot of weekends studying. But of course you don't have to do it in but maybe I don't know, because everything was new to me. So if you already know some things about trading, I guess you can go through it even quicker. I must say that the most valuable thing was that I learned how to manage your risk, because I understood that risk is really the only thing, or the amount of risk that you're willing to take per trade. It's the only thing that you can control in the market. One other thing, Ollie, that you told me is that it's important to set profit targets during a trade and also to consistently take them, because if you don't take the profits, you're not able to reach the goals that you have set for yourself. I would definitely recommend the e-Trading Academy. After going through all the modules in the course, I have come to see that it is fully possible to be able to trade stress-free with confidence and consistency. And that's what I was looking for, because before I started even getting into this, I looked at it at the trading as something that maybe was a little bit too like a gambling thing. That was the way I looked at it. But I have seen that it is possible to do it in a stress-free way if you really learn how to do it.